Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades, and yep, let's just get into it. We can see today Bitcoin still not moving too much, holding around 41,900 to 42,000. Been a boring couple of days, just trending sideways, more likely bleeding towards the downside. As we could see, Bitcoin came back down and then we had a nice spike back up towards the upside. Now we're back into the green resistance box. We're getting rejected at 43,400 or getting some wicks back up to 44,200. Now, what's interesting is that right now the market, the stock market is starting to bleed a little bit and more and more and more. In fact, or short from 36,800 to whoever is still holding it. Congratulations, you're up about, let's take a look here, measured move of over 5% right here. So you could have made some pretty significant gains with the right amount of leverage. And we could see, unfortunately, or not the Dow Jones, the Russell 2000 trade that we had set up, we've had multiple touch points. That's why I entered my trade in the first place. We had one right there, support, bounce, support, bounce, support, bounce, and I entered in at 2109 support. Unfortunately, it did not hold, and we had a wick down all the way to 2060, and basically my stop loss was 2063, so stopped out. A little bit of a loss, 40% loss because the amount of leverage I was using, but that's not obviously that's not our entire account, and we live to trade another day. So we can see we also came back up and again got rejected from that point and then reversed back down. Now today was a fantastic day for gold and silver. As we can see, gold and silver up an amazing amount, $24.11 now for silver, and gold up $18.42. We are now above the $18.35 mark, which has been previous significant resistance right here, resistance. We did have a breakout, but then we came back down and touched this trend line right here, and when we reversed all the way down to 1750 once again. Now we broke through this resistance. Now are we going to get rejected at 1857, which is our next major resistance point? If we do start to break out, then I believe that gold has started its trend towards the upside. The bull run has resumed, and we're going to keep going for the foreseeable future, as endless money printing and low interest rate environment is going to be the scene for the coming few years, because they won't be able to raise the rates because the amount of debt that they have, so they won't be able to even service that debt. So inflation is going to run hot, in my opinion. And we can see that today gold stocks, as we can see, our gold portfolio right here doing very, very well. 7% on the board, 12% on First Majestic. So we're going to be looking to purchase some more option contracts if you guys enjoy that. I did purchase some option contracts on Kinross Gold, so if you guys want to see more of my updates from my stock picks, definitely join the Discord, and we'll get back into Bitcoin now. Now, what I don't like to see is traditional market sell-off. Now we can see that the Dow Jones is starting to come down right now. We've had multiple touch points here, and we're starting to bleed a little bit more. We have the next inflation rate news is coming on February, let me take a look here, February 10th here, I have it on my board. February 10th, 2022 is going to be the next CPI report. And if it's worse again, the market is going to take decisive action. They won't be waiting there for too long. So far, we've had the first, worst takeoff year for the past 10 years. So far, since the beginning of the year, the market has only been down. It's been in the red now. As we can see at the beginning of the year, January 1st, right here. There we go. January 3rd, I believe, was the first trading day. January 3rd. Yeah, January 3rd was our first trading day. We are down 4.36% on the year so far. So off to a pretty bad start, in my opinion. And since the last 10 years, I think the market's been only up, right, in the constant trend towards the upside every single year. Now I believe that if they start to hike rates too much and they start to panic, this could cause the market to correct significantly. And that's why I'm holding such large gold and silver positions due to inflation being rising higher as well. So let's get back on Bitcoin as well. We can take a look on the daily time frame. Once again, not moving too much, a 12 and a -4 right now. Still a little bit bearish. We have the money flow in the red. Momentum wave, however, is starting to curl up a bit, so we might get a bit of a green dot. Maybe a long opportunity is coming, and then we'll just ride this one up towards the upside. But don't expect the money flow to reverse back very quickly. It could stay here for quite a while, as we could see before when we were in this bit of a trend sideways. We're bleeding up up and down for since May 19 all the way to July 20th before we had our next move towards the upside. So always look at that, guys. Long-term picture, long-term outlook is always what you want to look at. And we can see on the weekly time frame with a 9 and a 0. Once again, that's a little bit better, big improvement from what we've been seeing, but we can see that the money flow is starting to decrease in Bitcoin right now. We can see the momentum waves is starting to extend towards the downside. Always look at all the facts. Let's take a look at Ethereum as well. Ethereum, we don't look at Ethereum enough. 20 and a -5 last week. This week so far a 7 and a 2 on a daily time frame, looking a little bit bearish. You can see that we are getting like rejected from this moving average right here. EMA ribbons coming down as well. The DBSI is showing a -4 and a 12, so a little bit better. Once it's -5, it's it's usually going to move towards the downside. You have a pretty good idea where the stock or where the price of the crypto or stock is going to go in the short term. And let's take a look here at XRP as well. We know we got a lot of XRP fans. We'll run it for the DBSI. XRP with 12 and a -4 as well. Momentum waves starting to come back down. The VWAP starting to curl back up though, so maybe we'll have a little bit of a cut inside here, like so, and then maybe a little bit of a green dot here, and then you guys can potentially enter some longs for a bit of a swing trade. But I wouldn't bet the farm on it. Definitely be careful investing in cryptocurrencies right now. And we'll take a look at Atom. Atom doing once again as exactly as predicted. But no, not exactly as predicted, but once again we did get rejected at the $43 mark, so you guys could have entered some shorts. I know Mike entered some shorts in the Discord. He made a good trade right there. We came down at least 13%. Now we did come down all the way to 19%, so you guys could have made a fortune on that short right there with the right amount of leverage. So congratulations to Mike in the Discord. He made some really good gains, and he posts his trades too, so you guys can take a look at other people's trades that they post in the Discord as well. And a little bit of announcement as well. We're gonna be, once we do live streams now, we can have super chat people or whatever. I don't know how it works, but we'll figure it out once we do the live stream. And once we get to 10,000 subscribers, that's when we're gonna do our next $1,000 giveaway. So if you guys are ready for the $1,000 giveaway, share this my content with your friends and family, and we'll get the giveaway going. Thanks for listening, guys. You guys have a wonderful day. Make some really good trades. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace. If you haven't already, definitely join the Discord. It's only $5 a month. And if you haven't already, you guys can definitely subscribe to bigget.com, start trading for free, and get a $158 bonus when you use my link. Peace.